Automated TikTok messaging tool. Hello everyone, today, I'm going to introduce a tool that allows you to automatically send messages to many users on TikTok. First, you'll need to prepare the TikTok IDs of the users you want to message. For example, if you want to send messages to everyone who commented on a specific video, simply copy the video link. Then open the software and select the Scan Video Comments feature. Here, you can enter the number of comments you want to scan. For instance, if I enter 100, the tool will extract the IDs of 100 users who commented. Once the scanning is complete, you can download the list directly to your computer. After opening that Excel file, you'll see a list of 100 users who commented along with the content of their comments. Next, go back to the software and select the Send Messages feature, enter the message content you want to send, then copy all the TikTok IDs you collected from the Excel file into the software. Finally, click Start. The tool will automatically send messages to many different users. This method helps you promote your products and find new customers, if you're interested. Feel free to message me for more details and to register for the software.